Hey everybody, welcome to Keto-alicious, and today I'm going to be making for you keto fruit salad. I know that we don't get a lot of fruit in our keto diet, but our lifestyle, but some of us really truly miss our fruits. So today I am going to help each and every one of you at least get a little bit of fruit in a salad that's beautiful, colorful, so easy to make, amazing to taste, especially on these hot summer days. So stay tuned with me, guys. Here we go. We've got some fresh strawberries, and we have some, these are all organic, by the way. You don't have to do organic if you don't want to, but you sure can. These are, what are these? A little pint of blueberries. All of these I washed. We have fresh raspberries, organic raspberries. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is beautiful. And fresh organic blackberries. So, you know, this is so easy. I'm just going to take it and put each one of these in a bowl, just like this. And I didn't cut my strawberries yet, but already look at that. So easy, and this is going to be beautiful. So while I'm talking to you about not being able to have fruits, you most certainly can. You just, if there's a day that you want, and I cut these however you want, and I probably should put this up higher. I'll show this to you when I'm finished here though. So cut them however you want into little bite-sized pieces. Too good to resist. The whole goal to this is to have a refreshing salad that you can have in your refrigerator. This would be, if you're doing this yourself, this would be a great, this would last all week long. You could, if you want something a little bit refreshing and sweet, you know, at the end of the day, we kind of settle down, and I don't know, some of us have sweet tooth, so it would be really nice to have something in the fridge that you know is low carb, or if you're on the keto lifestyle, keto friendly, and you know, save yourself a few extra carbs in the day and enjoy this. You could also, if you wanted to, take all of these and blend these up and make it like a sherbet. I say sherbet, some people say sorbet. Into a sorbet, and I'll add a couple other things, but super easy. So there's multiple things that you can do with this. You could make a sorbet, you could have a fruit salad, you could blend all these up and put them in popsicle containers and have popsicles with them. Have those ready for you. Now I am doing 5, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing 6 strawberries, and my strawberries, as you can see, were pretty big. So you can decide, I'm saying this out loud because obviously I'm going to be putting nutritional facts on my blog, and so that each and every one of you make sure that you get the right amount of net carbs in a day. And if you're doing, like the majority of people are, we're doing about 20 net carbs a day. So just to give you an idea, look how beautiful that is, and I haven't done anything with it yet. So my magic ingredients for these are, now if you're just making a fruit salad, I'm going to add a couple extra things to it, excuse me, and you'll want to have and enjoy them. If you're taking this and putting this into and blending it into a sorbet, do not add the cheese that I'm gonna put into it. Same way if you're gonna blend them and put them into popsicle forms, then do not add the cheese to it. You can add everything else. So my magic go-to ingredient, keto-friendly Lakanto maple syrup. Amazing. I add 2 tablespoons to that, and that's just enough for the added sweetness. Then I like a little bit of a tang, and I like to keep these looking pretty good, so I add just a half of a teaspoon, maybe even just a fourth of a teaspoon to this. Just like that, just a little bit. And then I am not making popsicles with this. So just as a salad, I'm going to take and add a fourth of a cup. And this feta cheese is already broken up. If you have pieces that are bigger, feel free to break them up. But I'm adding a fourth of a cup of feta cheese to this. And if you add the feta cheese to this, now you want to make sure you can add the feta cheese later as you eat the fruit salad, so the cheese doesn't get icky, I guess, or start getting soft and discolored. So feel free to add this, just a little handful of this after when you scoop up your salad to add to the feta cheese. Is amazing with this maple syrup. I personally love it in it because I like it to seep into the maple syrup, into the lemon juice, and also into the flavors of the amazing salad. So I add a fourth of a cup. And if you see big pieces, if you like big pieces, that's fine. I just like a little smaller bite within them, so nothing overwhelming. You either like feta cheese or you don't. So I just put them in like that and give it a stir. And I'm telling you what, guys, you will not have your sugar cravings anymore. It's a beautiful salad. It's refreshing. I mean, look at that. What's not to love? There you have it. That maple syrup is everything. Now, if you don't have the Lakanto maple syrup, sugar-free syrup, you can use erythritol, or you can use stevia if you choose to. I get the stevia that has no alcohol because it doesn't have as much of a back flavor. Some of the ones that you buy have a really aftertaste, but it seems to be, mine is neutral, I don't remember what it is. Anyway, it doesn't have that aftertaste or that back after. So there you have it, keto fruit salad. I hope you guys try this. I hope you enjoy it. And I will also add the alternatives into popsicles that you could make, or sorbet if you want to make that as well. But I hope you enjoy it, quick and easy. Another side dish that's amazing for your keto lifestyle, low carb. And please, please, if you're not on any kind of diet or low carb or anything, that doesn't matter. You can still whip this up in less than 5 minutes and you can enjoy this. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for the next recipe or whatever I'm doing in my life. Bye guys. See you later.